Mother.
Yeah, look.
Leave the candles alone. Please sit back now. This is Maxie's birthday, not yours. Okay, we gotta
Take
sing.
some fire from there. Put it there.
Okay, we gotta sing first, Max. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maxie. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Carmen.
Blow 'em out, one more. Yay!
Mom, can I have more of the
You're a little monkey, you are. What are you doing?